Welcome to Guide Up. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to log out of your Bybit account. For that, firstly make sure you have the application and you are logged into your account. Now it is a very simple step. At the top left, you can see your profile icon. You can simply tap on that. Now here you will be led to this kind of interface. And at the top right, you can see settings icon. You can tap on that. Now you will be led to the settings category where you can see various options like changing your profile picture, nickname, identity verification, language, color theme, and many more. Now you need to scroll down, and at the bottom at the end you can see this logout option. You need to tap on that. This kind of box will pop up. All you need to do is tap on confirm. And now you can see that you are logged out of your Bybit account. Now in order to log in, you can tap on login now, fill down your credential and get logged into your Bybit account. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Guide Up. Thank you.